So we're at Jacob's house with a few attractive people, and we're gonna prove that we will not poison. What are we doing?
So guys, here's the plan. We're gonna have vegan meatballs, regular meatballs, tomato sauce, pasta, and some cheese and vegetables, and it'll all be mixed. A very good meal. Stay tuned.
Alright, so we're at the grocery store.
Jacob's our slave. He's pushing the cart.
Jacob is pushing the cart. I'm not in it, sadly.
You want to be in it? I got you.
So far, we have a bag of lettuce for our salad, a squash and a zucchini because they look cute and they're going to go in our pasta probably, and some mushrooms. Now we're going to keep shopping, right, Jacob? Yeah, and we're going to make the best meal anyone's ever known. So we're preheating the oven, as you can see by the word pre. So Avni just did all this sexy work with Faith. Yes, yes. Look at these vegetables, they are so chopped.
Okay, so that's...
Alright, so we're oiling up these meatballs.
Okay.
Because the oven is officially preheated and they're sliding around everywhere. But yeah, we're about to pop them in. So we're gonna saute some vegetables.
No, it's not sizzling.
Yeah.
Alright.
You can put it in though. No.
Okay.
Bro.
Bro.
It's okay. Those will just
farting.
cook a little. They'll be a little extra.
So we're about to saute some vegetables. Okay, that's not...
Turn it down.
We turn it down.
Game. Stump them.
Faith is very scared of some vegetables. Alright, look at how attractive those vegetables look. Right off me, you're stirring them up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jacob, how do you feel?
Super excited.
Yeah. Alright, I forgot to vlog this because
And then we drain it.
I'm doing it, but yeah, we're doing the salad, you know? Just
How's your salad going?
Yep.
Please don't stab the lettuce like that.
yes, we're doing salad.
Jacob, it's gonna
I was just
boil.
making the salad over there.
Wait,
They have
And it's gonna
sauce.
take
says-
forever.
It says to do 5 quarts per pound of pasta.
When you put the
wait,
pasta in, it's gonna...
we're doing half of it, right?
So we're boiling some water, and we got our vegetables into some sauce now. Nothing special, just some organic Prego. I don't think Prego's organic, but whatever. Yeah, it looks pretty cute.
Like it is.
So now we're cutting some radishes. Look at these
If the
radishes.
lights on, then yeah.
Alright, so we got some radishes in here. You can see the bag. They're not cut very well. They're a little bit wonky.
This is the sauce.
That's okay. That's room for improvement. Let's check up on this stuff. Our vegetables still look like vegetables, just covered in sauce. Our water still looks like water, not boiling, but it's steaming. Our meatballs, let's take a peek. Let's take a little look at those. They're sizzling, they're going pew 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 pew.
I think they're done.
Okay, so we'll turn that off and we'll just keep the oven closed so they can heat up a little bit. And then, yeah.
How good?
Now we're just waiting on the pasta. We're gonna use some fusilli. I don't know how you pronounce it. Alright, so we're gonna pour in our pasta because our water is boiling. Do it any slower.
Yeah, I've already managed it. That looks...
You have to take it off the burner.
Alright, good.
Cool.
Do you want to put this back on?
We're gonna make some bougie.
Oh, so I think that I'm right.
However,
Wait, so is this then?
That's what...
when we are on the trip, we're probably just gonna buy some Italian dressing because that tastes better than this bougie dressing I'm about to make. Nice checking in with you. Alright, so we have our salad nice and mixed with our bougie dressing that we made. We have some pasta, nice and drained. Our meatballs are out of the oven. Let's look at those bad little boys. Good job, Jacob.
Oh, and don't forget the sauce.
Oh, and the sauce, of course. Good job, guys. Woo! So now we're gonna mix everything. We're gonna mix the pasta with the sauce with the meatballs. It's gonna be so good. Jacob is getting
Wait.
our bowl.
You grabbed the lid. I was like, is that what you're gonna do?
So we transferred the pasta to a dish,
It's a great angle.
a casserole dish. Thank you.
A casserole dish?
Yes. I
Wow,
don't know
that's
why
a
it's in
lot
a
of
casserole dish,
vegetables.
but we're going to mix our
After a
vegetable
long day of
sauce
charity work, some 5 vegetables.
like that. And if you are a vegetarian, this is how you will be receiving your pasta. If not, we have some meatballs to put on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Alright.
gotta
yes,
you gotta
lift-
wiggle it off.
Lift it off. Ooh, put that on there.
A nice
Ooh,
little roll.
2 of them. 3 of them. Is she gonna make it 4? Is she? Oh, it's 4
I
of them!
think she's gonna make it 8.
Make the medians 5! Oh, we got 6! And 7! And that's 8 whole little meatballs.
Really? The one?
So this is our attractive food.
Okay.
Alright, so we're eating first impressions. She grabbed a salad. I don't know, my Faith's just eating off of her plate, but you know, you could grab some meatballs, Faith.
Okay, wait, let me try the meatball.
Okay, let's try the meatballs.
You're gonna break a tooth.
Jacob, how do you feel?
No.
Also, the meatballs might be a tad bit burnt, but that's okay.
We
Next
won't do that like for
Next time we
realsies.
will actually set
Yeah.
a timer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and this is my meal. I'm eating the rest of the
Hard
salad.
shell.
No,
Yeah,
but
it's pretty cute.
like one.